Hey folks, how you doing? Welcome to the channel. It is 23rd of December, continuing my Vlogmas where I am here to do a bit of a vlog each and every day through December. And yes, I've had some gaps this month. I didn't bother yesterday. And today, I'm nearly not bothered. I'm dressed in my, got my dressing gown on. I got home about an hour ago, actually. I've been riding all day long and I thought, can't be bothered to get dressed for the camera. So I thought, sod it, I'll do my piece. Doesn't be interested in dressing gown. So a couple of things I wanted to say in this video, and first of those is I just wanted to thank everybody for following me on my journey to this year. Lots of familiar names in the comments. Please continue to get involved in 2024. Got another big year planned, but it's been such a fantastic year for me, 2023, in terms of in terms of ultra races. I've done the All Points North this year, and my first gravel event, the Great British Escapades, a week later after All Points North. Not doing that again. And then, of course, what else did I do this year? The Pan Celtic race. Can't possibly forget that one. That's my it's got to be up there as my all-time favourite ultra race. I've not got, as I said before in my previous video, I've not got everything planned up for next year, but yeah, I've got some good one. I do have one planned, and that's the Gran Huanchi, end of March, so I'm really looking forward to that. And it's looking likely I'll probably enter All Points North in 2024. I'm not entirely set on. I've been thinking about, do I give next year a break? But anyway, as for this year though, it was the year that I discovered gravel after getting the Nuke Proof Digger Factory, or Factory Digger, whatever it is, Digger Factory, in November of last year, and I've just been riding it so much throughout this year. It's been fantastic. Did the Further East beginning of the year, back in April time. That didn't work out quite well, too well. Didn't finish it. And then I went on to do the Yorkshire Dales 300. Didn't finish that one either. The weather was, on both of those events, was really, well, the terrain, it wasn't ready for that kind of a terrain, and it was so muddy on the first of those, the Further East. I stuck a card in the corner for Further East, if you want to go watch out this video, and I'll stick it on the end screen as well. That was a very memorable one. Yeah, so, I just want to say thank you for supporting me in 2023. It's been great just to see so many familiar names in the comments as I'm putting videos out for this year. And secondly, I just want to say Merry Christmas to each and every one of you as well, because it will be my last video this side of Christmas. For those who follow me on Strava, I did go out on a ride today. I did a 200km Audax DIY. I'm sighing because it was so windy today. But I managed to get around pretty quick, and I didn't film anything. I thought I'm having a ride for myself, and to be honest, I really needed to concentrate and get on with it and crack on, because I needed both hands on the handlebars, to be honest. It was very, very windy all day long today. Managed to do a really good route though, which avoided most of it. Didn't have long stretches of blockhead wind. I had lots of twists and turns and nice short bursts of crosswind. I think because I've been riding the gravel bike a lot this year with all those heavier tyres, and it's been an alloy bike as well. Oh, excuse me. When I've been going onto the titanium road bike, the Calibri TI from Sonder, it's just so much lighter and so much quicker. So today, it wasn't so much of a struggle in the wind because the bike was light, and I still was using all those watts to like push through really. Weather was, apart from the wind, it was really sunny today. I'm just really pleased to get out. I will be going out into the wind tomorrow. Probably gonna be on the gravel bike. Need to plot a route this evening, and yeah, go out and enjoy, make the most of the Christmas break. Of course, it's Rafa 500. Starts tomorrow, running up to and including New Year's Eve, so I'm looking forward to that. I was thinking, I was nearly going to postpone today's ride, and I think to myself, I tell you what, perhaps I'll do it as one of the Rafa rides instead, and maybe do it once the wind's supposed to die down. And I had lots of twists and turns and nice short bursts of crosswind. I think because I've been riding the gravel bike a lot this year with all those heavier tyres, and it's been an alloy bike as well. Oh, excuse me. When I've been going onto the titanium road bike, the Calibri TI from Sonda, it's just so much lighter and so much quicker. So today, it wasn't so much of a struggle in the wind because the bike was light, and I still, as using all those watts to like push through really. Weather was, apart from the wind, it was really sunny today. I'm just really pleased to get out. I will be going out into the wind tomorrow. Probably going to be on the gravel bike. Need to plot a route this evening, and yeah, go out and enjoy, make the most of the Christmas break. Of course, it's Rafa 500. Starts tomorrow, running up to and including New Year's Eve, so I'm looking forward to that. I was thinking, I was nearly going to postpone today's ride, and I think to myself, I tell you what, perhaps I'll do it as one of the Rafa rides instead, and maybe do it once the wind's supposed to die down. And I was like, well, I want to do this 200. I want to get some Audax points in the bank. My goal for next year, or rather the 2024 season, which already started at the beginning of November, my goal is to get 100 Audax points. It's something which I've been wanting to do since 2019 when I got 110 points or something like that. So I want to try and achieve that in 2024. So that might be one of my main goals heading into next year, and not so much the races and things. But as mentioned before, I do plan to do the Grand Huanchi, and I may just put my name down for Great British Escapades as well, because that was a ton of fun. Anyway, I'm going to wrap this video up again. I seem to be waffling now, but finish with the words Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Take care. Bye bye.